Okay, good afternoon. We are going to demonstrate how to make multi-purpose liquid soap, and we want to demonstrate by doing them, and we do them even during this coronavirus. And the ingredients that we are using to make industrial salt, ungarol, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, which we use, the amount is 1 kilogram. Sulfonic acid, sometimes we call it 2,5 acid, 500 ml. Caustic flakes, which is potassium hydroxide, 10 grams. Sodium ash, which is sodium tripolyphosphate, 15 grams. STPB. We use coconut diethanomine, which is CD, 15 grams. We use colors, 25 grams, and perfume, 15 grams. And before we make liquid soap, we have to use protective gears. One, you have to have face mask or even face shield. We have to have also gloves. And the materials that you use are plastic containers, wooden ladder or cooking stick, and the materials that we are going to show you makes 20 liters of liquid soap. Now we are starting. The first ingredients that we use or reagent is industrial salt, which is 3/4 of a kilo. We pour into the container. Make sure it is loose, so you stir it and it is loose. We add the component ungarol, and the ungarol is sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. We add them to industrial salt. And mix them thoroughly so that it is uniform. Yes, after adding that and mixing thoroughly, making sure it is mixed, you add another reagent, which is the sulfonic acid. We pour into the 3 reagents which we have put already. Yes, and you mix them thoroughly, uniformly, until you produce a paste. Yes, mixing, making sure it is uniformly mixed and it becomes a white paste as you mix them. Yeah, after mixing them, you add caustic flakes, which is the 10 kilograms, 10 grams, sorry, and you add them. Mix uniformly. What follows is the soda ash, whitish like flour. Mix them thoroughly. Become uniform paste. Again, you put another chemical, and that is coconut diethanomine. This is 15 grams CDE. You put them and mix them. Mix thoroughly. And then you add water little by little. You add water little by little. Stir it, stir. It forms now the foam. You mix, stir it. You add little water, stir again thoroughly. Add water. You can add water up to 3/4 of the 20 liters before adding the colors. And the final will be the perfume when it is ready. Add water. Yeah, stir it. Stir it. You add perfume. You add the color, not perfume, color. Stir it. Yeah, it's now almost ready. And the last that you add is the perfume. Perfume is added last when everything is ready, and then you leave it for 12 hours. The ones which are now ready is packed and you distribute them. We packed in small containers of 500 ml, 10 liters and 20 liters, and we give it out. Welcome. Thank you.